Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of English with me Jijo Matthew. Hope you are all fine and going on well. As usual, we can begin our session with a small warm-up activity. I have certain expectations about you for this particular session. Be attentive throughout the session, think in your own way and ready to learn. Moving on to the learning objective for this particular session, that you will be able to identify high frequency words. Before moving on to the session, I would suggest you to open your English notebook and grab your pen or pencil. If you are not having these items, pause down the video here, grab your pen or pencil and English notebook, come back. Hope you are all back and ready. Very good. We can move on to the essential question for this particular session. What are high frequency words? Pause the video here. Think about what you mean by high frequency word. Are they familiar to you or anyone? Think about it. Come back. Hope some of you got the idea clearly. Some are a little bit confused. Don't worry. By the end of this session, you will get more idea about high frequency words. Don't confuse, it simply means those words that are frequently used again and again in English language, in speaking, in writing as well. When we go through a story, when we go through a poem or any material, we can see certain words are commonly used again and again. We call those kind of words as high frequency. High frequency simply means they are occurring again and again. These words are also known as sight words. They are very simple words, easy to understand, very short, but are most commonly seen in writings. We can move on to the examples of high frequency words. You have to pause down the video in between and write down each of the high frequency words into your notebook.
The, of, and, to, in, is, you, that, it, he, for, was, on, are, as, with, his, they, at, be, this, from, I, have, or, by.
Hope you have done. Very good. Now it's a time for a small activity. You have to read each of these high frequency words, prepare an audio clip along with its spelling and the pronunciation of the word, and send to me in WhatsApp. Moving on to activity number 2. Here I'm gonna give you a small story. The story of Fox and Grapes, a fable. We have to read this particular story and find out the high frequency words. Read the story, find out high frequency word from the story, list that down in your notebook and come back. Now it's a time for us to wind up our session. We started the session with a small warm-up activity. I showed you which are my expectations about you for this particular session. Discussed the learning objective for this session, that you'll be able to identify high frequency words. Throughout the session, we were discussing about high frequency words. These are those words which are commonly seen in speaking and writing alike, in stories, poems, novels, whatever piece of writing it is. They are very simple, easy to understand, and commonly used. In the first activity, you are asked to prepare an audio clipping of the high frequency words. In the second activity, you are asked to go through the story, the fable of Fox and Grape, and identify the high frequency words from the story. Now it's a time for a small assignment. You have to read the story, The Fox and Grapes, once again. Prepare an audio clipping of you reading the story, sent to me in WhatsApp. Until we meet again, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.